Under the kitchen sink, you have a few other things that it's good to know about. For instance, under the sink, we have a switch here, and there's also a receptacle in the back. That's for a future carburetor. So if you were to install one, you have a power source and a way to turn that on and off. For most homes that don't have a carburetor, it just sits there and is unused, but that's what it's there for. You also have some connections on how to turn things off. For instance, here you'll see you have the dishwasher connection. So if there's an issue with the dishwasher or something, the valve is here, as well as in most homes, the fridge water shutoff valve is located underneath of the kitchen sink here. Some homes it's located down in the basement on the main, where the main water valve is, but in a lot of homes it's located here. So you don't have to try and pull the fridge out, turn the water off. The water valve shutoff is right here.